Okay, so first day of the trading week. Um, Not a whole ton of opportunities. It was honestly a pretty boring, slow day for most of the time. Um, but one second, I'm hearing something. Oh, there's this. Okay. Um, but late day, Rnxt just shot up. Beautiful high at daybreak play. Um, I can't tell what this is. If usually there's a M right there. Let's take a look at another stock. Yeah, there's an M there. Okay, I don't know if it's a glitch, but this thing's got one fucking share in the float. Um, I don't know. That has to be a 1 million. I don't know. But point is, we get this solid quick mover. It's a recent IPO. It's a biotech, right? Pretty sure. Oh, doesn't say. Biofarm here. Okay. Pharmaceutical. So we got this 980 break, and then right above we got that 10.5 high day break. You could have got the ABCD pattern here as it was holding up. It was really the only thing holding up. As I just shown, there's Annie. This thing tried moving, no volume. It was just the volume in the morning. Okay, there we go. Throughout the day, that was kind of it. SPRT didn't really make a move either. So it was honestly the only play up near ties, bringing in some volume, rotating the float multiple times over, holding trend, holding VWAP. So in hindsight, this was just the easy, perfect play that I sold way too soon. My entry was 9.8. I got out at 11.2. Totally regret that. Could have been multiple $1,000 day without even trying on relatively small size. Um, But that's the IPO right there. I've been seeing it a lot. Recent IPOs, if you just buy that high, break to new all-time highs, tends to have a solid squeeze, especially if you got a float like this and volume coming in 26 million. So it's rotating it multiple times. Shorts just got squeezed, and that's all this is. We'll see if we get a continuation tomorrow. But want to just go over the quick comparison between these two because Annie was another potential candidate for a high day break play. A little iffy on the history here, but it could have. I was thinking it could have got to 9 over the 7.5 break. But no volume. That's really the key. Throughout the day, yes, we have a lot of volume, but now all this volume here is just overhead resistance. So if we don't really get strong enough volume to squeeze shorts out and really test back up to the highs here and squeeze some more shorts and more buyers come in and we really get an uptick in volume and a continuation of it, as you can see here, it wasn't just a minute or two, kind of how it was in the morning here. Uh, it continued, and that is why it kept going. Shorts kept squeezing themselves out, and that was kind of it on the day. Uh, we had BBIG in the morning. That one gapped up nicely. That continued nicely from the 6 break. Filled the gap, or not fill the gap, got to new highs, all-time highs. I was just thinking of a different stock. So it did reach that resistance level up here and did have a fake out. We'll see if it reverses and volume comes back and get a break of 10. What else do we got here? Okay, so SPRT. Okay, so this one's going to be a watch for tomorrow, as this was a recent supernova here. Just absolutely taken off. So looking for the multi-day bounce play. Looks like it might gap up, so might have to wait for that $60 break. But if it doesn't really gap up that much, I will be looking for a reversal. Same thing with RGC. Has not reversed yet. Solid spiker recently, so just waiting for that bounce play. But yeah, so just taking a trade at a time. Rnxt was very nice. Should have just been more patient. So that's really the only thing I got to work on, because there's still opportunities. Friday got a little hot. There were multiple plays then, but for today, wasn't super hot. But got to capitalize on the opportunities when they show up, and just got to learn from it. Keep an eye on the volume. As we can see here, even as it was dipping, each time it dipped, the volume never really faded. It just kept holding up. So you get the light volume dip, and then we'll perk up on strong volume, dip a little bit on some light volume, and then the volume will come back and it'll just continue higher. So just gotta watch the trend, set your risk. Something I keep saying all the time, but I've yet to really follow. I just get emotional. I see my quick 10, 15, 20%, and I'm out. I don't know how much further they can go, and I don't want to be part of the reversal, because I've seen them tank hard before. I've been caught in a lot of bad situations, so just erring on the side of caution. But yeah, so we'll see if this brings in some more plays for tomorrow and the rest of the week. But yeah, we'll just prepare and get ready for tomorrow, last day of August. So